Hello everybody, Camelia here. Welcome to my sewing evening. So I'm thinking to make this kind of short videos to share with you. As I'm sewing almost every evening, I can share with you what I'm making at the time. So, you know, bigger videos are requiring a lot of time and putting my video cam, but this on my phone, I think I can manage to make you a little bit of sneak peeks, let's say, from what I'm sewing every day. So today I have on my table here, I'm working at what it's called, the Luova, I think. I don't know, I need to watch to see on Google how it's pronounced. Actually, I wanted to make the dress, is from the named Building the Pattern book. And I'm just trying to find, so in my head I wanted to make this dress, the dress version, so this one over here, but because I'm working with a really nice linen from Minerva and I didn't want to mess it up, is this one. It's very, very nice. It's very drapey and really gorgeous. And I saw it as a dress. So I was looking a bit around, and I have only 3 meters. It's not really, really wide. So what I'm working now on, I made 12 for it. This is the shirt version of this pattern. As you can see, I'm completely in my element. I'm really not YouTube dressed. But I wanted to show to you, this is the shirt version of it. So they have the bodice pattern, and it's getting cut here somewhere at the waist for the tunic length, and also for the to add the wider skirt for the dress. And you have also the longer piece that you can make a shirt. This is one size smaller than my where my body measurements are putting me in their chart. So this is one size smaller, and I'm going to make my final one size even smaller. As you can see, I'm not wearing a bra here, but even then, this is really, really, I mean, it says also in the instructions that there is a lot of ease in this pattern. So, and they give some, they give the finished garment measurements. So you can choose there if you want a little bit smaller, depending on the ease you want to have. But on this one, I think the fit is pretty nice. I wore it all day and it doesn't go up on my shoulders or to the back. It feels really nice. I only raised the bust darts like 1.5 centimeters, I think. But because I'm going to go one size smaller, so of course this one is going to come a little bit higher also, I raised the bust point, the dart, only the bust point. The point of the dart, I raised it only by 1 centimeter. So this is the only change I made. Oh, and I did in the final, I'm also going to take just a little bit of the back length, because in other patterns from named I do that, so sway back adjustment. And for the rest, this is really, really nice. And this is that smaller color that they have. They have also one with a little bit more false here, but I'm not going to make that one. And I placed my pattern on the fabric that I have from Minerva, and it doesn't fit. And I mean, if I could squish it out, I think maybe make the skirt a little bit shorter, but I'm really bummed because I cannot find the pocket pieces on this dress. I cannot find them in the book, and I cannot find. They also offering for the patterns in the book. You can also download the patterns from the website as a PDF. And actually I did that because I find it really, really easy. And I'm using here my, let me see, I'm using my light pad, like I showed you in a previous video, to tape my patterns. And it's really, really easy. Of course, this is really bright for you, but it's working. You see that? It's working really, really easy. And so because I'm going to put this off, because the dress is not fit, you know, it could fit, but I find in the instructions there is, they are talking about some really nice pockets in the skirt and also the belt. I cannot find any measurements for the belt. I cannot find the pattern pieces. I looked in the book and on the sheets. These are the pattern sheets of the book, from the book. I could not find those pieces, so maybe they forgot about them, I don't know. So I'm not going to make the dress, I'm going to make the tunic, and I have here the front and the back of the tunic I printed, and I have them already taped. So these ones I'm just going to put them on the shorter bodice. So this is what I'm working at the moment, and you know, I think I'm going to make a new playlist with these kind of videos where you can see what I'm working at the moment on. And as I said, I'm going to use this gorgeous linen from Minerva, and I'm going to see maybe add some golden colored buttons or so, you know, to give a little bit of details, and also put some pockets. This one has no pockets because I mean, I did make this one to be finished, so it's completely hemmed and with buttons and buttonholes and stuff, but I did not add the pockets because I was thinking, well, maybe it's not going to be really perfect to wear. I didn't bother with the pockets, and this is the shortest sleeve of the Luova shirt version from Named. So yeah, this is it. Maybe you notice I changed a little bit the back here. Oh, and I have here a Brother Serger. The second-hand one was really cheap, but I bought it because I want to make some tutorials, and I know that my fancy baby lock has no tension discs, so I'm going to, if I make a tutorial, I want to make them both on the baby lock one and also on this one, where there are more adjustments to be made to get the tension and stuff like that. So that's why I have there the Brother. And I have one of the, if you are a knitter, maybe you did see these ones already from Knit Pro, the Knitter's Pride, the Mindful collection. They are really, really cool knitting needles. I'm using already another version of them, the ones that they are interchangeable. These ones are fixed ones. They are really, really cool. Maybe I'm going to open them tomorrow to show them to you. Very nice and really, really great packaging. They did a really great job on this one. So this was the video for tonight. Maybe I can meet you tomorrow with another short video to show you maybe the progress I made on the Luova tunic, this time from Named Patterns. Love you everybody. Take care. Bye.